Hello everyone. Today is September the 26th, 2021. It's a late video. Sorry for the lightning, guys. It is 9:40 p.m. Central Time. And as probably you know, if you already know or you didn't know, now you know. Now the smart cards are back and working for iOS 14.8, some devices, and iOS 15. Um, if you're not updated to the iOS 15 and you're still running iOS 14.8, you can still use the smart card. So yes, iOS 14.8 and iOS 15, okay? So if your device is running iOS 14.8, you can try to unlock it with the ICC ID that is gonna be already configured on your smart card like before. Um, Everything basically is the same as before. Well, in this case, you can do it 14.8 and 15, okay? So no more tricks, no more special SIM cards like previous week that we have a nightmare when Apple blocked all the smart cards. Uh, they're working. It took the last time these smart cards were working were on September 17th, a week ago. And then this Friday, the 24th, finally they came back to life. So once again, full support to my customers. The ones that they don't wait, or the ones that make a claim on their credit cards as fraudulent transaction, or the ones that mark my smart cards are defective. Unfortunately, I'm not able to provide you support anymore because you opened a claim and I had to let the claim do the process. But please, if you reach out to me and you provide me with one of those orders that you make a claim, unfortunately, I'm not able to help you. Okay. And for those you always wait for me for any update, thank you and I appreciate it. And we're back 100% working, iOS 14.8 and iOS 15. It's gonna be like before. I will gonna post ICC ID working on my website. That ICC ID is gonna be available for everyone. But if you need more stable ICC ID that you know is gonna be for the long term, on your order, you're gonna receive a number so you can reach me. There's gonna be directions for you to reach me out if you need something more stable. So only for customers only, okay? So others, you can go to my website and get the ICC ID, and the ICC ID is public. I mean, everybody have access to it. And the one that make a purchase or the one to want to become my customers, there's gonna be instructions how to get to me or any of my teammates, and they can provide you a more stable ICC ID, okay? But in the meantime, like before, like I said, I'm running iOS 15 XR. In this case, I don't care which company the iPhone is. I'm trying to unlock it for US Mobile, Verizon Network on a prepaid service. And I got SIM supported. See? I'm gonna take it out. You see this little warning sign or this little sign, just don't worry about it. Just go back, continue. Let's go general, about. iPhone XR, iOS 15, you will scroll down, SIM lock, and they give it the whole description. This device might be restricted to original carrier. And like I said, we don't care anymore about the original carrier. Everything happened last week, has been changed like before. So no more special SIM cards, no more special AT&T SIM card. This went back to normal. So at this point, we don't care if your iPhone is a Sprint, AT&T, every single iPhone. Well, the same rules applies. Clean IMEI number, blacklisted devices reported also stolen by their carrier. Unfortunately, those cannot be worked here in the United States, only works overseas, okay? So basically, everything is the same. Everything like you used to know before September 17 applies the same rules. Don't care which whose carrier is this phone. As long as it shows SIM locked, this is gonna be you. And the iPhones that you are paying or being financed, those are perfect to be unlocked. If you're tired to pay for your bill, you know, and you want to do something else, prepaid services, US Mobile, Visible, your H2O, Mint, Cricket, Metro, I mean, you name it. You can use this smart card. So I already put a stable ICC ID on it. Just gonna, and remember, this is a triple cut. I've been getting messages, oh, my SIM card is too big, it doesn't fit on my iPhone. It has the regular SIM card, micro SIM card, and the nano SIM card, 3-in-1. Just FYI. So I'm gonna put my smart card in, and my iPhone doesn't have any. Let me close everything. My iPhone, I just restarted to new for obvious reasons, to do a test. I don't have a passcode, I don't have anything, I don't have the iCloud even on. So swipe up, that's basically it. Okay, so we're gonna put it in, and you're gonna follow the steps. It's gonna send us to the activation screen, or activation required. You're gonna swipe up. So we're completed to iOS 15. Continue. And this is already configured. Like I said, it's already configured. I have the software. So every purchase that you made through me, it will go out ready to go. If something happened in the future, you need a new ICC ID, just get back to me. And just like that, people, your iPhone has been unlocked. And not only that, it is factory SIM lock. That means that you can use it with any carrier. Two rules, same rules apply. Do not reset to new your iPhone, and do not do any updates via iTunes. If you do any of those two, unfortunately, you will lose your unlock and you have to redo the process once again. So my iPhone has been unlocked. Just to make sure, I'm gonna go back to general, about, same thing, iPhone XR 15, iOS 15, and right now it's reading no SIM restrictions. Close everything down. Take up my smart card. I just put my US Mobile, and I'm gonna save my smart card because, as you know, this is reusable. You can use it as many times you want. Put it on the side. And of course, because since the new iOS 15, you need to requires to update your carrier settings. It's just going to update it, and it's picking up the signal. US Mobile, turn Wi-Fi off. US Mobile LTE. This is a good service for Verizon. I only paid $20 for 18 gigs, unlimited everything, text, talk, and 18 gigs of data, or something like that. It's more than enough for me. I'm always connected to Wi-Fi. Let's do a test code real quick.
Hi, thanks for calling US Mobile.
US Mobile. Let's go to the web. Let's go to Apple. Allow once, okay. Official site. So it is working. Everything works. Text, talk, and text messages, and your MMS. If you're gonna send pictures, everything works. Like I said, this factory SIM lock, semi-factory unlock, excuse me, it works the same as before. You don't have to change any APNs, anything like that. So you just plug and play. I haven't had a chance to get an iPhone 13, so hopefully one of these days one of my customers will bring me one and test it out and see. But hopefully I can get it one soon so I can show you. But this SIM unlock applies to iPhone 6s all the way to the 13 Pro Max. Okay, same rules, clean IMEI. Devices blacklisted are not supported. So that's it. This is how you do the unlock, and now the ICC ID is more stable. You can find it on my website. Like I said, if you need a special or more stable ICC ID, reach out to me. But that's about it, guys. Hopefully you like it, and like and subscribe. And I mentioned on one of my videos before, once I reach out to 1,000 followers and subscribers on my YouTube page, I will be doing like a raffle or something special for you guys. I don't know. I'll think about it, what kind of it, but help me out to reach 1,000 subscribers, please. Any updates, informations that you might need, or everything that I know that is going to be happening soon, or any kind of updates for ICCID and Apple and factory, semi-factory unlocks. I will always place anything on my Facebook page. I know that some of you guys don't have social media, but please just try to follow me YouTube as well. You can ask questions there. And our office hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So during those times, feel free to reach out to us. After hours, please just sit tight with us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. But right now, smart cards are back 100%, and I'm doing a special for my birthday. My birthday was yesterday, the 25th. Yay, happy birthday to me. So I'm running a special, only $5 on my website, okay? $5 each on my website, and I haven't decided yet until when. Probably into the end of the month, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Probably I can have run the special until the 30th. So yeah, go to my website, $5 each. I recommend to get 02, because you never know what's going to happen. I got a few customers that, I lost mine and I shouldn't buy two. Well, right now is the time, buy two, $5 each. And not only that, you get the full support like always. Okay, guys, have a good night. Bye-bye.